Hello my friends, it's November 7th, 2020, and I think this is officially the end of my gardening season. Actually ended a little while ago. The only thing I still had growing out here was some Swiss chard. There were still sprouts coming up, new shoots coming up yesterday, but it seems there's the green leaves still. Yeah, well, this is why it's important to cover my beds. I cover them all with leaves and mulch, protect the soil. But yeah, November 7th, and I don't think it's officially winter yet, but sure looks like it where I'm at here in north central Alberta. No snow yesterday, so this is all new. And you can see the sky's all gray, and just thought I'd give you a quick view. This is what you have to deal with living in the north, trying to garden. You have quite a short season. Here where I am at, it's pretty much the end of May till, well, this year the first frost was August 30th, so it's not a lot of time to get all your stuff done. A greenhouse I would recommend if you live anywhere with snow in the winter. But high tunnels work. I kept tomatoes and jalapenos going. My bees. Let's go see what's going on over there. But yeah, sunny Alberta, November 7th, 2020. I already got, I don't know, a couple inches of snow here. It doesn't look like it's going to stop. Yeah. Gonna have to get some styrofoam out here and cover these bees. But yeah, there's a look at my garden. I'm not going to be out here too much once the snow gets deep. There's a few things I still got to put away. But yeah, it's just a look at the old homestead. Winter's here. Well, earlier than I'd like, but you know, whatever. Alright my friends, my gardening's not entirely over. I took some stuff in the house, and soon I'll be starting other plants. It take a while, some flowers and stuff for the bees. But yeah, till next time, peace.